Thank you for your attention. In this study, odor impression prediction means using machine learning to predict the sensory test score of a corresponding single chemical substance from the mass spectrum. This figure is a schematic diagram of this research. At the time of training, the mass spectrum is given as input data and the sensory test score is given to the model as target signal. We then expect to predict the corresponding sensory test score when we give the trained model a new mass spectrum. In the previous research, we were actually developing a model, and in this research, we made two improvements. The first point is that large-scale dataset was used to train autoencoder for extracting the features of mass spectrum. And the second point is that Itakura-Saito divergence was adapted as a cost function of mass spectrum autoencoder. In this study, we used two types of data, mass spectrum data and sensory test data. Each data is feature extracted using an autoencoder in advance, mapped by MLP and connected as shown in the figure to build a model. The difference from the previous research is that the data used for pre-learning of the autoencoder in the lower left of the figure has been increased to 2,335 samples, and the cost function has been changed to IS divergence. About the results, the table shows the results when the dataset is increased and the result when the IS divergence is applied to the cost function. The upper row shows the case where the dataset is increased, and the lower row shows the case where the Itakura-Saito divergence is adapted. The correlation coefficient was 0.76 in the previous study, but it could be improved to 0.86 when the dataset was increased and to 0.90 by further applying IS. And figures show the correlation between true value and predicted one in the previous study. It can be seen that not only the correlation coefficient has improved compared to the previous research, but also no predicted data with low accuracy was observed. Thank you.